Good Night Mosquito Net for Double Bed, King Size, Strong 30 GSM Net, High Durability, Foldable, Corrosion Resistant, Lightweight Red. This is for creating chemical-free world for our kids. Contains 1 Good Night Mosquito Net for Double Bed, King Size Color, Red, with storage bag, for adults and babies. Superior quality, strong, 50 denier, 30 GSM, tightly woven, see-through polyester net. High durability, with instant set pop-open design, sets up instantly on the bed. No tying or nails required. Wraps underneath the mattress for complete seal. Also available into more sizes and colors, red and blue. To buy, please go to the link in the description below.